Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you I've got few potato. I'm making chips. So this is how I peeled my potato. See, I'm cutting it. I want to make some chips. I'll wash it and dry my potato. So guys, when I'm making my chips, I'll show y'all. So guys, I washed my potato, you can see. Now I'll dry it for making the chips. So guys, now my potato must dry off the water. Then when I'm frying, guys, I'll show y'all. So guys, all my water is out from the potato, you can see. My potato is dried. So I can't leave it open very long because it will turn to black. So I just wanted the water to dry off. You can see my tissue is wet. So yeah, I got half cup of flour. So I'm going to fry my chips. And nearly tablespoon fine salt. And pinch of black pepper. I'll mix it up properly. So guys, you will let me know in the comment if you tried like this, making like this fresh chips. So when I'm frying, guys, I'll show you. So guys, now I'm frying my chips. When my chips is fried, I'll show you guys. So guys, this is my first lot what I fried. So this black is a black pepper what I seasoned it. So second lot is frying now. So guys, that's how my chips is. Very tasty guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy it, share it.